Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel and our channel Dr. Vet. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. We have already seen the rabies part 1 and part 2. Here we will see part 3. In this part, we will see clinical findings in dog. In dog it is very commonly occurring. Dog is an important animal for us and it spreads the disease. So here I will give you more in detail clinical findings in dog. This is an important viral disease of dog and other animals and man also. Now we see clinical manifestations in dog. The natural average incubation period of rabies in all domestic animal generally average naturally is 3 to 8 weeks. It may be as short as 10 days to even a long up to 1 year, but average is 3 to 10 weeks in all animals. The duration of incubation period depends on several factors. Distance of bite wound from the brain. If the bite wound is nearer to the brain, the incubation period is short. If the bite wound is away from the brain, that means in the hind leg, the incubation period is comparatively longer. The second factor that decides the incubation period is quantity of virus deposited in the wound. If the quantity of virus deposited into the wound is more, there are more chances of rabies. Third factor that decides incubation period is virulence of virus. If virus is very virulent, the incubation period is short. And the fourth factor that decides the incubation period is severity of. If the wound is more severe, then there are more chances of rabies. At the same time, incubation period is reduced. Now we see clinical manifestation in dog in detail. Generally, the clinical signs divided into main three groups. First group is a prodromal form. Second, furious form. In furious forms, there are two parts: stage of melancholy and stage of excitation. And the third form is dumb or paralytic form. These divisions are totally arbitrary, not distinct. Remember here, just for the convenience of understanding a group of symptoms, these groups are made just for the convenience. These divisions are totally arbitrary, not distinct. The symptoms of one form may overlap with the other form. The symptoms of one form may be seen in the other form. Some of the symptoms may be absent. So these are arbitrary ones for the convenience of understanding and for the convenience of description. The clinical signs are divided into three groups. Now we will see the symptoms of rabies in prodromal form or prodromal stage. In prodromal, the word prodromal, pro means pre, before, dro matlab drama, dro means drama. Certain dramatic symptoms are observed before actually occurring of the symptoms. So these are the specific groups of early symptoms, the earliest symptoms, and that gives the signals of onset of the actual disease and precedes more obvious and diagnosable symptoms. So prodromal form or prodromal stage shows a specific group of early symptoms. They are not characteristic also before showing the actual symptoms. The symptoms in prodromal form are lasting for 1 to 3 days, very short. Symptoms last for 1 to 3 days and only very vague central nervous system signs are seen. Vague, not characteristic, not fixed, unusual symptoms, only vague symptoms. We cannot make diagnosis from this. Remember these things. It is important for veterinarian as well as owner. Symptoms are not characteristics. Then the signs become rapidly severe. There is change in the temperament of dog, the mood of the dog, excitation. There is aimless snapping, aimless movement, aimless working, aimless behavior. And generally dog barks at imaginary objects. There is no reason, without reason, barks. This prodromal form is important from veterinary point of view or from the owner point of view. This is the early symptoms of rabies and not characteristics. So veterinarian and owner will not know this is a dangerous disease rabies. So what they will do? They examine the mouth of the animal. They try to give medication and be friendly with the animal, and thus they may invite the disease. This is the danger period for the owner as well as attendant. Symptoms of the furious stage or furious form. The word furious itself suggests it is dangerous, it is severe. The furious form occurs after about third day of the prodromal signs. 1 to 3 day is a prodromal stage, and from third day onward the furious form starts. It is average, it is not fixed. The most characteristic signs in the furious form is signs of hyperexcitation. Animal is severely excited, hyperexcitation. And this hyperexcitation is a predominant sign. This stage lasts for 3 to 7 days. Again, the furious form is arbitrarily divided into two stages. Again, I tell you, the division is not fixed. It is an arbitrary division. The symptoms of one stage may overlap, or the symptoms of one form may be seen in the other form. So, furious form is arbitrarily divided into two stages. One, stage of melancholy. Second, stage of excitation. The word melancholy means just sadness. There is change in mood, sadness. The second form, furious form, is divided into two forms: stage of melancholy and stage of excitation. Now we see here the stage of melancholy. Stage of melancholy can be a part of a previous stage, prodromal stage. I told you that symptoms are not fixed, not distinct. So symptoms of stage of melancholy can be a part of the prodromal stage. In this stage, there is a mild to moderate excitation. excitability. Here there is clear-cut change in the behavior of the dog. The owner can observe this behavior because he is all the time with the dog. Here the owner should be very much careful. There is unusual alertness. The animal become unusual alert, unusual behavior. Characteristic symptom observed in this stage by the clinician is strabismus. What is strabismus? Strabismus is abnormal alignment of the eyes. In term we can say squint. This is the characteristic. Once you see this rabbit case, you will not forget. A cunning look. There is change of facial expression. From the face you can make out there is a cunning expression of the dog. Once you see it, you will not forget. You can diagnose immediately this may be a case of rabies. There is strabismus and cunningful facial expression characteristics. The dog try to bite imaginary objects. Objects are not there, but dog makes the action of bite. Dog make the action of imaginary fly catching actions in the air. By the mouth, the dog make actions that it is catching the flies, but there are no flies. These are the expressions of central nervous system derangements. Continue the symptoms of stage of melancholy. The animal try to bite inanimate objects or even bite also inanimate objects. It will bite doors, it will bite chains, it will bite bars, bite cages, vessels, etc. There is excitation, impulses from the brain. Animal bite the other animals and even the human beings. Dog does not obey the order of the owner or attendant. It is not disobeying, but it will not obey the order of the owner or attendant. The dog generally bark unusually without any reason, change in behavior. Unusual barking without anything, without any reason. There is depraved or perverted appetite. The dog is trying to chew or trying to eat abnormal food substance, the food substance which are not normally. They try to eat it or bite it. The animal attempt or try to lick or drink the water because animal become thirsty. The dog become thirsty. But dog is unable to drink water because of paralysis of pharyngeal muscles. Already we have seen in the pathogenesis, paralysis of pharyngeal muscles. There is difficulty in eating, difficulty in swallowing. The stage of melancholy lasts for 1 to 3 days. It is a very short stage. Friends, we have seen the furious form is divided into two stages. The first stage, stage of melancholy. The second stage is stage of excitation. The stage name suggests there is a severe excitability and irritability. Characteristic symptoms of this excitation and irritation is observed. The stage of excitation lasts for 1 to 7 days. The first symptom is drooling salivation. The owner, attendant, and veterinarian must become very careful. Salivation contain virus. Sometimes salivation is earlier than the clinical symptoms. The dog become very much severe nervous aggressiveness or excited. Dogs show exaggerated response even to the normal stimuli. The normal stimuli is simple light, a simple sound, presence of animal or man. This normal stimuli may provoke exaggerated response. That is because of the severe excitability of nervous system. Friends, we continue here the symptoms of stage of excitation. It is very interesting. The dog become restlessness, excitation. The dog bite or chew or eat non-edible substance, which is not food. The dog try to eat grass or bite to grass, stone, feces, and any other material. There is unusual violence. Animal become violent, uncontrollable. There is frenzy behavior. Frenzy behavior means there is great excitement or wild behavior. Dog become very wild. The frenzy behavior means uncontrolled violent activity. Animal become uncontrolled, not under control. The activity become very violent. Characteristic symptom. The dog wander aimlessly here and there. This is also characteristic symptom. Dog is running aimlessly. Dog continuous movement over a long distance and in a circular route. Dog go on moving and coming to the place, then again go to the other place, coming to the main place in a circular movement. That's why this is also called as a circling disease. Continue here the interesting symptoms of stage of excitation. Dogs move aimlessly. Dog run to a long distance, and thus the dog spread rabies in a wide area because it is moving to a long distance. And during the way, they bite animals or human beings. Whoever coming in the way, the dog try to bite. And thus it spreads the rabies to a wider area. Dog bites anything, animate or inanimate objects. This biting habit is characteristic symptom. The dog become dangerous for human beings. The appetite is depraved. And one characteristic is that howl or howling. What is howling? It is a characteristic change in normal barking sound of a dog. Remember this thing. Howling is a characteristic change in normal barking sound of a dog. And this change in the voice is not loud, voice is depressed. That is called as howling. This is characteristic. And this is due to paralysis of laryngeal muscles and vocal cords. The dog barks, but it will not bark loudly. The sound become depressed. that is called as a howling, characteristic of this rabies. Continuation of the symptoms of stage of excitation. Initially, we have seen the earlier symptoms, salivation. So earlier salivation is in form of the ropey. It is fluidy. But as the time passes, there is a frothy salivation at the mouth. Because now, because of the fast respiration, the air bubbles are incorporated into the saliva and the salivation become frothy. At the end or at the terminal period, there are convulsions called convulsive seizures. Important thing is ascending paralysis. It is not a descending paralysis. Characteristic of rabies is ascending paralysis. That means paralysis starts from the distal part of the body, that is away from the central nervous system. First, there is a paralysis of the hind limb, then it progresses to the forelimb, then progress to the head. That is the ascending paralysis. Then the animal become a comatose. There is respiratory arrest, great difficulty in respiration because of the paralysis of respiratory muscles, and death of dog occurs in 2 to 14 days after the onset of clinical signs. Generally 10 days. The dog will die in a week or 10 days. If the dog will not die, then it passes to the third stage, that is the paralytic stage. If the dog remain alive, doesn't die, it passes to the paralytic stage, third stage. Now we see the symptoms of a dumb or paralytic form. Dumb is much depressed or paralytic symptoms. In some cases of rabies, the furious phase is extremely short or absent. All dog will not show excitation symptoms. Only few cases may show a extremely short or absent period of the excitation. Then the dog rapidly enters the paralytic or dumb phase. The dog is rarely irritable. Depression. Dog is not vicious at all. Dog rarely attempt to bite. Great depression. As the name paralytic form, there is paralysis of hind leg, then paralysis of foreleg, ascending paralysis, paralysis of the head and neck, paralysis of throat and masseter muscles. Continue with the dumb or paralytic form. Characteristic observed is dropping of the lower jaw. It is called as dropped lower jaw because of the lower jaw paralysis. The mouth remain open, so it is called as open mouth condition. There is drop of the lower jaw. Characteristic symptom. The tongue protrude out from the mouth. The head also drops down because of the paralysis. Paralysis progress very rapidly to almost all part of the body because this is a paralytic form. Main symptom paralysis. Animal progress to coma and death follows in a few hours. Friends, here we have seen all symptoms of rabies in dog. Requested to share this information to veterinarians, veterinary students, and even to the owner so that they can be alert when such symptoms are there. You can save the life of the many. For the progress of channel, requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.